TikTok Lite, original versus fake app. Install the wrong one and you risk everything. So what TikTok Lite is supposed to do? Compact and fast. Google Play positioned TikTok Lite as a streamlined version, built for device with limited storage and slower connection. Data saver mode, reduce data consumption during video streaming, and therefore use unmetered or low bandwidth network. Offline mode, allow limited functionality without an active internet connection, promising seamless video streaming under constrained condition. Act 1. How fake? TikTok Lite APKs get installed. The illusion of legitimacy. Fake app now closely mimic real brand assets, including official logos, screenshot, or even fabricated user review. Outside the App Store, most infection campaigns bypass Google Play entirely. Users are redirected to phishing web page, social media apps, direct message links. Each path leads to manual APK download and full device compromise. To the real danger in modded APKs. Modded APK is tampered Android package. What's hidden inside can be devastating. Credential tip: modified code can silently harvest login credentialization tokens and personal data. So malicious AD SDKs, trend microfund that most repackaged fake apps contain alternative advertising SDKs designed for malicious outcomes, not revenue. Silent payload delivery. Fake APKs can quietly download additional malicious APKs after installation, compounding both device compromise and financial harm. Payment bypass and fraud. Some mods remove payment controls or inject fraudulent in-app purchase flow to steal financial information. Two-layer of risk and how to stay safe. Here, fake and dangerous apps, credential theft, malware infection, weaker theft, ad SDK abuse, official app gaps and deficits. So warning labels, content control, key filtering, no screen break tool. And there you go, Forensic 2024. Even the real app has gaps. So yeah. Light does not mean safer. Also, always download official brand links or trusted app store. There you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have a question, concerns, let me know. Question below, guys. Hope it was as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.